Hey everyone, okay, so today we're going to be doing a no makeup look on my gorgeous neighbor who lives a door away from me. So the first thing I'm doing is applying a basic moisturizer and just plumping up the skin, making it dewy and moist. Next, I'm taking my Goss foundation and I'm going to apply this all over the face. This is just to even out the skin tone. This look really is about no makeup. My foundation also has incredible covering properties, so it's excellent for light or full coverage. Next, I'm powdering the skin with my loose powder. And this, I love powdered skin because when there's a lot of shine on the face, it can be very, very distracting. So a matte face to me is very, very appealing. I can then add back some shine if I want to on the areas that I want to. So that's how I tend to go about skin. I think that in general, we think that overly hydrated skin, overly dewy skin, overly glassy skin is, a very good thing. And in my mind, I prefer a more matte look to the skin. And as I just mentioned, I can then add in the shine wherever I want so that it isn't distracting to the eye. One of the main benefits of my powder is that it doesn't leave a powdery residue on the skin. It doesn't sit into fine lines or wrinkles. It's just an all-round excellent powder. The next thing I'm going to do is start the bronzing process. So I'm using my bronzing palette and I just want to create that kind of summery skin. Antonia already has a beautiful tan. So I just want to add back a little bit more color and just give the skin a bit more life. So I'm applying this all over the face, down the neck, just to even things out. Next, it's blusher. I don't want to go overboard with this because this is a more subtle look. So I'm applying it to the cheeks, high up. I also like to apply it onto the nose, the chin, the forehead, the throat, just to give that all-round kind of summery glow. But for me, blusher is one of the best things in the whole world, but I just wanted there to be a little bit more color to the skin, but not go overboard. Just powdering things down and blending the edges. I'm applying some freckles to the bridge of the nose here, and I'm just dotting these on, and then I'm just going to, with my finger, just kind of smooth them over. It's a very subtle look, but it does give that no makeup look. When you've got powder and foundation on, it can cover freckles, and I want to add them back to give a more realistic look to the skin. And I just think it's so youthful to see kind of freckles on the skin. Now, this video actually took 8 minutes to do in total, but I've edited down because, there's a lot of talking here because I can't help myself. I'm taking my highlighter palette and blusher palette and just using the highlighter shade all over the eyelid as a wash of color. I'm not going into the crease. I'm not going under the brow bone. It's a quick wash of color. We want to get you out in the morning or just in general, so it's quick and basic. A little touch of highlighter to the Cupid's bow and the bottom of the lip. Then we will move on to the lip portion, which again, I'm blending in my lipstick and gloss together and applying them as one to the lip. And you can see that when you apply a gloss and a lipstick, and it's a messy process, sure, but it does give this really kind of glass-like effect, which I'm really, really fond of. And it's just such a pretty, pretty look. All the information on the products is in the description bar, but you can see how quick and easy this look was. So you're going to see the finished result now, subtle, fresh, and easy to go out straight away. Took 8 minutes. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. See you all soon. Bye-bye. And be all, that's it. And just slightly turn your head from side to side slightly. And then just look into the camera, look all gorgeous. That's it. And then what I want you to do is just look straight forward and just give a wink.